Welcome to Yeeflow Workflow Designer. Today, we'll explore the Claim Task action, a unique feature for managing approvals and tasks. The Claim Task action, much like the assignment task, is a versatile tool for generating approval tasks or tasks to be completed, all while waiting for user action. However, it differs significantly in how it handles task assignment. Unlike the assignment task, the claim task does not immediately assign the task to selected assignees. Instead, it generates a task and patiently waits for one of the chosen receivers to claim it. Let's explore how the claim task action can be used. Imagine you have an order management application, and you've got a support team responsible for addressing submitted tickets. This is where the claim task comes in handy. Open the Workflow Designer for approval forms and add a claim task node to the right canvas and connect it to the Start node. Select the Claim Task node and click the Setup button below the node to set it up in the Properties panel on the right. Under Action Name, you can modify the display name. Under the Receiver option, click the Assignee Editor button to add a receiver. Under Task Form options, select or create a new task form. Under Task Type, you can select this form as Approval Task or Complete Task. Click Publish after completing the settings of the node. Next, fill in the records in the published approval form and complete the submission. When you return to the Yeeflow homepage, you will find an additional record in the Claimed Task option. When the approval process reaches the Claimed Task node, a task will be created and added to the claimant's Claimed Tasks list. When a support team member has the bandwidth to handle the ticket, they can claim it from their Claim Task list. They can also open the approval page and click the Claim button in the upper right corner. This claimed task then moves from the Claim Task list to the Pending Tasks list, with the receiver as the designated assignee. The task becomes invisible to other receivers. The Claim Task action is a powerful feature, offering a unique way to manage and assign tasks in your workflows. It streamlines the process, ensuring tasks are handled efficiently by the right team members. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of Yeeflow's Claim Task. Stay tuned for more tutorials and workflow tips to optimize your business processes.